I would like to start by quoting a famous dialogue of the cult favorite actor Mr. Ranbir Kapoor. मैं उड़ना चाहता हूँ, मैं दौड़ना चाहता हूँ, गिरना भी चाहता हूँ, बस रुकना नहीं चाहता. Which translates to I want to fly, I want to run, I even want to fall, just don't want to stop. Good evening, everyone. I was born on a Saturday in the month of September, and let me just be clear that I'm a true blue Virgo. The morning, every year as a ritual, my father would describe the morning of my birth as filled with smell of rain and gentle lullaby of wind. Now that he has left us for the heavenly abode, I couldn't help but think how proud of a father he was. Well, they are parents, and life has its own way to nurture us. This life is like a boxing ring. Defeat is not final when one falls down. It's final when one refuses to get up and fight back. Being the head girl of school to merely passing my first semester in college, life was ready with its lessons. Well, don't judge too fast, because I'm a fighter, and with every punch I get up stronger. Within a couple of years, I was back in my game and onto the top 3. But during the last phase of my course, my father was diagnosed with cancer. So my one foot is at my college preparing up my thesis, and the other one was to the hospital. And their life was again with its another punch. We couldn't save him, but as I was giving light to his fire, I just looked at my hands and thought, oh girl, you are stronger, way stronger than you ever knew. They say that you actually enter into adulthood once you get over college. Well, true that is. I too signed up for the rat race of getting a job, of getting a distinguished job. And I will not be kidding when I say that every interview I gave, I succeeded. And probably that filled me up with so much pride that I rejected job offers after job offers, thinking I deserve much better. Until one fine day, life was ready with its another punch. I was jobless. Though it is something that I never talk about, but it surely taught me the importance of opportunity, the importance and to respect opportunity and time. And with lots of hard works and my mom's blessing, I can now say that I am at a pretty much comfortable state. But bear with me, guys, my story up till now is not over yet. I got another punch. I went through a breakup. Not a regular one, but with a guy I was with for 8 long years. He was my everything. I wanted to grow old with him. He was the one who promised me the moons and the stars. But life has a funny way of working. It is not that what I wanted then is not what I want now. And even though I have spent years thinking why it happened the way it did, I'm pretty thankful the way things happened, because that made me the person who I am today. When my speech writers say I'm not a woman, I'm a god, it has nothing to do with being religious or an atheist. It simply is my belief onto myself, the admiration towards my unapologetic self, the knowledge that I have gathered, my abilities, my courage, independence, and of course my cute button nose. My life has led me on to journeys I would have never taken if it were up to me. I learned, I loved, I lost, I changed, and I grew. Most importantly, I grew. And even though it is very difficult, it has been very difficult, but I have learned so much from it. I have been onto track. I have started reading books I always wanted to. Went on hikes and treks. Learned all about stock market, stocks, trading. Was on multiple dating apps. Met thousands and hundreds of people. And on my journey, I made some beautiful bonds. And I'm still learning to create a life of my dreams. However, on some day, when my overthinking self starts questioning, I remind myself, I'm enough, I'm 1,000 times enough. And my uniqueness is the crown that I wear like a god. Thank you.